How do we generate trustworthy evidence when time is short and decisions can't wait? The JBI Rapid Evidence Synthesis Workshop is designed for those working in fast-paced, evidence-informed environments where timely, high-quality evidence is essential for decision-making.
Delivered over 3 structured and interactive days, the workshop offers practical guidance on how to conduct rapid reviews following JBI Evidence Summary methodology with rigor and efficiency.
Participants will learn how to formulate focused questions, streamline the appraisal and synthesis of evidence, and apply methods to develop clear, actionable recommendations for practice based on the best available evidence.
By the end of the course, attendees will be equipped with the skills and tools to produce relevant, reliable evidence to support urgent health decisions.
To learn more or register, visit jbi.global/events.